Good morning and happy Thursday. My joke for the day is one of my all-time favorites, and you guys have probably all heard it. But how do you make a Kleenex dance? You put a little boogie in it. Okay, today is Sugar Day. We're gonna take a little break from our workbook to talk about sugar, because I think especially in America, sugar is a hot button issue. It's something that's important that we are aware of and mindful of that we consume, because otherwise we'll consume a lot and enjoy it, but not really realize we're doing it, and then we can have lasting effects from it. So it is recommended that middle schoolers consume no more than 25 grams of added sugar each day. Now I say added sugar because fruits and some other foods have sugars in them that are natural. Those won't be included in that 25 grams of added sugar bundle. So 25 grams of added sugar. Now you might think, okay, that's a lot, until you start looking at labels, and that goes quick. For example, this Coca-Cola, which I love, if I look at its food label back here, I don't know if you can see that, but 39 grams of added sugar. I drink this and I'm already over my added sugar for the day. So you can see how quickly that goes. It's suspected that most Americans consume up to 3 times more than the recommended amount. And that can lead to lasting health conditions like diabetes or heart disease or high blood pressure or all sorts of different things. Remember, anything that we consume that we don't burn up with activity just gets stored as fat for later. And so that can also lead to obesity, which is a big problem in the US currently. So I don't know if you've looked at the directions for the day, but I'd like you to pick a snack. It's gotta be a snack or a drink. You can do a drink that's got some sugars in it. So don't just do this with something that has 0 sugars, okay? I am going to show you a little demo with my favorite snack, Gushers. Okay, so on the box, see if I can flip this around. On the box and on everything, there are these things called nutrition fact labels or food labels, okay? So you can see that 1 serving is just 1 pouch, okay? So they're saying that you'll just eat 1 of these at a time. And if you eat 1 of these are the all of the statistics for it, okay? So I've got like 1 gram of fat in there, no cholesterol, got some sodium, and then we make it down to these sugars. So you can see total sugars is 10 grams. 9 grams of that is added sugar. So I'm gonna use that 9 grams. And in the directions you can see, to get to teaspoons, you're gonna divide by 4. So 9 divided by 4 is 2 1/4, so a little bit remaining. So I'm gonna get out my teaspoon, have your parents help you if you need to, and measure out however many grams of sugar, however many teaspoons of sugar that is. Okay, so you take your grams and divide by 4. So I got 2 1/4, so I measured out 2 1/4 grams of sugar. Now, that might not seem a lot to you, but I would never just go to the sugar pot and say, I want something sweet, and scoop out the sugar and eat it. I don't, but I'm happy to eat a pouch of these. So that's how sugar hides and it gets us. Now, I'm all about having a treat, having a snack each day, and enjoying it, but it's really critical in everything that we do that we're mindful and we know what we're putting in our bodies. So I'm excited to see what you guys send me today. The directions tell you everything you need to do and how you need to submit it. So one thing that I need you to do is take a picture of you with your sugar along with the food, oops, I should flip that, along with the food or drink that you chose to do the lab on, okay? So I wanna see the sugar with the product that you used, and then you'll also be including a food label on a document in there. So have a great day. Text me, call me, or email or whatever if you have any questions. I'm excited to see this sugar. Bye, have a good one.